Focus now is me on my love life to Alex and Gentisa Jr. calls the name as Manuel Quezon the first 6 feet and 6 inch tall. I am armpit length of armpit tall height of Alex and Gentisa Jr. ko, which is Alex Jr. ko is college degree graduate. And then I am Mrs. Conean Talanya Magnaye Jimentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conean Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. So now I will talk about July year 2017 moment of myself with Alex and Jimentisa Jr. ko on the arts and arts of courtship of Alex and Jimentisa Jr. ko. Is that is arts, and then courtship is during June 2017. July to year 2017 is talking about moment during high school year. It is starts on year 2010, but the courtship is year 2011. Then year 2010 is July 2017 moment during high school. So, talking it is personal, such as baby. Alex Jr. ko as well saying the baby about we're in I am writing during year 2017 about October 2017 about baby, fairness to baby. When it comes to Alex Jr. ko, it is during year 2010 about baby. Maybe, why I say grabe, they start getting blaming about fire. And my other camera video there is. No, amita. It is 2 minutes and 39 seconds. When I say grabe, they tends to blame Alex Jr. ko about, I not want to talk, timid ko. But that is on the right eye. They is creating a situation about fire. Fire on news on other country. Kinlang asawa ko. It is being shows a while ago. My sub is sleepy. I started at the moment. About Los Angeles, California. The fire. So they tends to, from my talking, they tends to clingy, connect onto that love life of myself to Alex Jr. ko. Even though there is no connection about it. I now want to talk at the moment. They is putting me on sleepy mode. But I need to talk eh. Why such that? They interfere. The word fire is what I say a while ago. That is only the content of it on the relationship of me and Alex Jr. ko. Why they is putting it on talking about fire and then onto that. nga, no. Ah! Hala, focus on, baby. Oh, I'll talk. The next is about baby. Alex Jr. could say that during July 2017, which is on shouting mode so that I could hear it during year 2010. 2010 or year 2011 inside of classroom. That is third year high school. Third year high school it is. Tok lang talaga, tok. Hmm. Third year high school, fourth year high school. My mind does not want me to talk about third year high school and then putting me on fourth year high school. And then the fourth year high school is getting of what I am onto at saying. One count is only Alex ko. One count. Who knows? Maybe that one count only. I need to talk talaga because what they're doing is putting me on a situation of no productivity on life. No productivity on life. Myself should be on situation of working. But I tends to work. Yeah, I tends to work even though this is my situation. I will talk now. When I say that a while ago, third year high school and then fourth year high school, they tends to body movement. The fourth year high school Alex Junior ko is getting of what I am saying, and then the third year high school Alex Junior ko is talking, saying of what is I say a while ago. Do not be in here, sabi niya. On that moment of inside of classroom, third year high school. But Alex Junior ko is putting on blame. Blame. That is English word. On Tagalog word, sinisisi. Why? About fire. Fire. They is on creation of situation. It's creation of talking. Fire. that is recently I saw it on social media website. Fire. What is happening kaya? I'll talk. It is suddenly shows on my right eye. Right eye says it. Doon na ako sa baby portion. Baby portion. That is, oh, it is good that I talk. I am now on the baby portion. So Alex and Timothy sa junior ko tends to, during year 2011, year 2010, tends to say the word baby, and then he is shouting on inside of the classroom about having a baby, of what to feed for baby. So meaning to say, it is such as to look for work, to look for work, to look for work, to look for work for feeding of, for food for baby to feed. Next is on myself, the vibes of myself year 2017 July is I tend to get photo of baby foreigner on Facebook. Uh, Dudu, that is the page of it. The baby that is on the sink and then eating strawberry. Why? Because I am on a vibes, self vibes of wants to have a baby already. Year 2016 it is, and then year 2017 I cite baby. That is what I cite a baby. That strawberry girl, strawberry, that baby that eating strawberry on the sink. And then, no thinking other. I not think of anything. I put it on my phone. I screenshot of it. Is that my body movement? Hmm? Before it happens, myself wants to have a baby to Alex Jr. ko. And then, yeah, this being shows on my right eye the existence of body movement on the thesis of Alex Jr. ko. The photo of Alex Jr. ko. The baby existence is not similar to the foreigner baby. The existence of that baby is color black hair. The baby on the strawberry sink is brown hair. Not similar. The gasol on the table. That is the definition of myself. Do not flirty on girls. Not want you. That is what I am saying to Alex Jr. ko. Selosa ako. I not want you to to socialize on girls' gender. I don't know what he did during that I say. College degree as Alex Jr. ko, civil engineer. About the color of Alex Jr. ko, brown, light brown, kayo manggi. Wonders is me. Why? Not know. Thesis it is. Alice Jr. ko is on yellow shirt. I need to talk of such this so that myself be understood. Kaya nga. A while ago when I... Hala! Talk lang, oh. There is suddenly on my in here being gumanon. And then on my heart, gumanon, dalawa. What it is? Not know. It suddenly removes the suffocation. Not know. Why such that? To count on in here, heart, chest, and chest, and then one count in here, in this portion, in here. Nakakaloka. I'll talk now. Ano kaya meron? Focus is me. But about fire, it is recently, year 2025. What I am talking is year 2017. Alex Jr. ko did middle finger on my right eye. What it is? Talk lang, talk. What else? Gasol. Do I think of gasol? What I say in the I not know who did gasol, putting gasol on in there. My forehead, this forehead is such as ganyan siya. May bigoto mo to. Ano? What I could feel, the word is regaining. Not regaining. It is not negativity, hurt, or pain on my forehead. It is such as parang restoring. Restoring. I don't know. Restoring, and then the effect of it on myself is myself being on age, heavy. My forehead is heavy. What is just on myself is minimal. I'm not boastful. How is it explained? To forehead, it is only slant. This one, just this one. The other word is could. I not want to talk about it. I want to talk about it. I could feel that they know. I am not talking at the moment because I could feel the word regaining. Regaining from in here being such in here. I'll talk now. I could talk even though such this. I'm 29-year old, younger, young. 29-year old is young. I will talk now about my love life. What else could I say? That portion is talking on my mind. Alex Junior is civil engineer, and then thesis it is about. And then the gasol, I not the person who shows that on my imagination. What is myself is only talking to Alex Junior ko of not to be near on girls gender. I not want it. I am the boyfriend husband. I am the girlfriend husband lover. Husband. I am the girlfriend wife lover. And then I feel jealous when there is girls towards surrounds of Alexander Matisse Jr. ko. Then the color of Alex Jr. ko on that photo, light brown, is I feel in here. It is good that I talk about it. I feel shocks. It is brown, chocolate brown. As in literal chocolate is the color of Alex ko. Why is it brown? Light brown? I don't know. Why? But Alex Unique civil engineer. I am happy. My eye is happy. My heart is happy. And then my left forehead is happy. Ay! Hala, galit siya. Ano ba yan? Because of this one, no? It already brown in here, such that here, then Ganyan. Yes. Nagalit siya. The right eye is anger. Not know about it. Time ito. This person I am talking at the moment. I am on the color of Alex Jr. ko during June 2017. When I sight Alex Jr. ko on jeepney, my being a girlfriend to him on that jeepney is singing. I sing, sumakay ako sa jeepney. That is what I sing to Alex Jr. ko. I sight Alex Jr. ko on jeepney. That is June or July 2017. Color brown, as in chocolate brown. And then civil engineer. Ano meron? I feel... Wait lang. DC. Dizzy. Nahihilo. 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 Chocolate brown yun. Chocolate color. Brown color. Light brown. Macho. Macho. Lex ko. That is year 2017. I sing Ian Constantino, Jeepney. And then, I want response to Alex ko. Ito. Yeah. College degree is Alex ko. Talk lang, talk. This person, no? The person is smiley. Ah, ah, tag, ah, babae ako. Bakit? I feel scared. I am a girl gender. About a while ago when I say I am a girl gender, I feel scared. Meaning of it, the person tends to listen on my camera video. And then smiley in here. I think it should be about my love life, but this is the flow of year 2017. So I will talk. What else could I say? Our lover ni Alex. Brown color. Civil engineer is Alex ko. Civil engineer. Truthfulness is truthfulness. Brown color. Color. Ano dali? That is July 2017. June it is 2017. Shucks. Oh, it is good that I talk because of a specific person. What I am saying is year 2017. And then I am already done on talking of year 2016. Year 2016 is my start of novena on Baclaran. And then year 2017, June, I cite Alex Jr. ko on jeepney. Myself is the start of having a pimple. Of this pimple. This one. And this one. I put Skintific and then petroleum jelly. Name it. Petroleum jelly only already. So what I am putting. What myself at the moment, I feel confused. Confused. It is such as dizziness and then in here left eye. I'll talk now. Novena. It is coincidence that I go at Baclaran Church and then it is Wednesday and then novena it is. I have no pamphlet during that moment. I just stand in there and then looking on the television and then singing it based on the tempo of the singing of them. Year 2016 it is. I should know about of what it is. I not know it. It is such as of what I am talking. 5% already is my phone. I will end my phone at in here. 35 minutes and 14 seconds.